Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for checking out today's video. I'm sure you guys are right away going to ask, oh, is the WRX back? And unfortunately it is not. The video you're about to see is a past video that I did a while back, and the reason it's so old is because I was going to redo it, and at this point I don't think I'm going to anymore, so I'm just going to post a video that I already have, show you guys what I did and kind of show you that. But basically, the WRX, a quick little update, it is fixed. The whole thing's put back together. It's repainted. Everything's good to rock and roll. The only thing we're waiting on now is Subaru has to double check some things, I think, and reprogram the airbag module or something. So once all that's done, I'll get the car back. Hopefully within the next week, I will have the car back. The day I get the car back, I'll make a video and I will try and upload that video the very next day. So keep an eye on my Instagram because I'll post when the car is done on there first, as I always do, and then I'll have the video out as soon as possible. With that out of the way, this video here is about wrapping the WRX. And when I say wrap, I didn't do a full vehicle wrap. I tried doing like a design on it. So a company called Vinyl Frog reached out to me and they were like, hey, if we send you out some vinyl wrap, would you mind, putting it on your car, doing a little video of it? And of course, anytime a brand reaches out to me, if it's something I'm interested in, I have no problem trying it out and doing my best to make a good quality video. The problem was I failed, I want to say miserably. When you guys see it, you might be like, that looks pretty good, or I don't know what you guys will think. But when I first did it, in my mind, I was like, man, I failed miserably. So I didn't want to post the video. I didn't want to try and endorse the product because I thought I did a terrible job. So the goal was to rewrap the car, do it differendly. So the reason that I'm posting this now and I'm not redoing it like I wanted to was because, well, once I get the car back from the body shop, the whole front end's been repainted. And so if I wrap anything on the car, I just worry about the paint getting damaged. The paint should normally, especially this time of year when it's pretty cold outside, it'll be gassing off for a month or so. So I won't even be able to try this again for over a month. And then even then, I'm going to be worried about it. So I'm probably just going to scratch the project. But I want to show you guys the product and how I wrapped the car. And at least this way, I'm getting something out there for the company that was kind enough to send me some products to test out. So the company that reached out to me is Vinyl Frog. Now they have all kinds of vinyls for vehicles and industrial settings and commercial settings, and so whatever you need, they got it. Their car wraps look incredible. They have really cool colors and the finish on all of them looks so freaking good. And I would argue they're some of the best looking finishes I've ever seen on a vinyl wrap. And the way that I think they accomplish that is they are a calendar vinyl. Now, if you're familiar with wrapping at all, calendar vinyls can be a little bit harder to work with. Some people complain that they don't last as long, they'll peel back and have issues. So Vinyl Frog made a calendar hybrid vinyl, but look into it, I'll leave a link in the description. It's a hybrid vinyl that's supposed to be a little bit more durable. It's supposed to be more resistant to any kind of like stretching and stuff like that. It won't hold its memory as much, I guess would be the proper term, where it's not going to like peel back edges if you have to stretch it a little bit. So it's a better option for wrapping vehicles. Now, this is coming from someone who doesn't wrap vehicles. This is probably only the 5th or 6th time I've ever experimented with wrap. So basically all I did was I took some knifeless tape, laid it down on the car, decided how I wanted it to look with the design that I wanted, and then I laid it all down, peeled up the knifeless tape to cut the vinyl the way that I wanted and get the design that I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the time lapse now. I'll start the time lapse. After the time lapse is up, you guys will see some pictures of the finished product. And then when that's all said and done, I'll come back with a little conclusion about what I thought of the vinyl and the installation process, etc. So enjoy. So here I have some knifeless cutting tape from Wrap Cut. I just found it on eBay, so hopefully it's good stuff. There is 3M tape out there that does the same thing. It's a little more expensive, so hopefully cheaping out wasn't a bad thing. I guess we will find out. I'm going to mock up my design. Well guys, that's it. You saw the vinyl installed. Hopefully you guys could see what I was doing there. A couple of things to note that I appreciated a lot about this vinyl. Number one was the way it looked. It was like the most car paint-like vinyl I've ever seen. A lot of vinyls have that dull, kind of hazy look, or they scratch super easy, and they just don't look like actual paint at all. You can instantly tell it's a vinyl, and I don't like that. I like it to look like a factory painted finish, and they knocked it out of the park. The finish looks so good. It had depth to it. It looked like paint. It was like a mirror finish, and I was super happy with the way it looked. Overall, the way that it looked and the way that it installed, I was super happy with it. Now, if you're using this to contour around body panels and you're wrapping a whole car with it, I'm sure it's going to be tricky, but that is why I didn't do it, because I have no experience in that. But I will say, they make some awesome colors. It's a really great looking product. Unfortunately, because I didn't leave it on very long, only a few days, and I didn't really put it through any kind of tests, I can't tell you how the durability is or how long-term anything is. But I will say, the few days that I had it on the car, I had no issues. Nothing peeled back, nothing like curved over, like the edges all stayed flat. Everything I wrapped around panels and wrapped around the back side, nothing lifted. Everything stayed looking pretty sharp. But then, of course, I wasn't happy because basically the side that you saw me do, I tried to get that even on the other side and I could not get it even, and it was driving me nuts. And then I finally got it done and I finally got it even, and then I realized I didn't really like the design that I came up with after all. So unfortunately, I don't think I'll be doing anything else with it, as I said, but I just wanted to run this video by you guys so you could see a fun little project I did that I didn't get to make a video of. But while we're waiting for the WRX to come back, it'll give me something to post and something to talk about you guys with. I appreciate you guys checking out the video, leaving some comments. Let me know what you think of the vinyl wrap that I did, if you like it, if you hate it, if you would have done something a little bit different, etc. And I'll talk at you guys next time.